Every belief you hold, every fact you trust, every truth you defend rests on one hidden assumption that you know something. But how do you know what you know, and how certain can that knowledge ever be? Epistemology is the branch of philosophy that studies knowledge itself. It asks three fundamental questions. What is knowledge? How is knowledge acquired? And what are the limits of human understanding? Not everything we believe is knowledge. Belief can be mistaken. Knowledge demands justification. But what counts as justification? And who decides? Modern science approaches knowledge through observation, experimentation, and prediction. A claim becomes knowledge when it can be tested, repeated, and potentially proven wrong. But science never offers absolute truth, only models that work for now. Empiricism claims that all knowledge begins with sensory experience. We learn by seeing, touching, hearing, and measuring. Without experience, the mind would be empty. Yet senses deceive us. Optical illusions, hallucinations, and perceptual errors reveal a disturbing truth. We do not perceive reality directly, we interpret it. Rationalism argues that true knowledge comes from reason, not the senses. Mathematics and logic reveal truths that experience alone could never provide. 2 + 2 = 4, regardless of the world. Empiricism says, trust experience. Rationalism says, trust reason. Both explain part of knowledge. Neither explains it completely. Immanuel Kant proposed a radical synthesis. The mind does not simply receive knowledge, it actively structures experience. Space, time, and causality are not discovered in the world, they are imposed by the mind. According to Kant, we can know phenomena things as they appear, but the thing in itself, reality as it truly is, remains forever hidden. Knowledge has a built-in limit. Skepticism questions whether knowledge is possible at all. How do we know the external world exists? How do we know we are not deceived? Absolute certainty dissolves under scrutiny. Language shapes thought. What cannot be expressed may not be fully known. Words do not mirror reality, they carve it into categories. Modern cognitive science. Neuroscience reveals that the brain constructs a model of reality. We do not experience the world, we experience a simulation optimized for survival. Truth is filtered through biology. Quantum physics complicates knowledge further. Observation affects outcomes. Certainty gives way to probability. The observer cannot be separated from what is known. If knowledge depends on the observer, then knowing is not passive. It is participation. Reality and understanding may be entangled. Mystical traditions claim a different form of knowledge, not learned, not reasoned, but directly experienced. Knowing by being. Intuition bypasses logic and language. It claims immediate insight into reality. But is this higher knowledge or subjective illusion? Some traditions propose that consciousness itself is fundamental. The universe knows itself through conscious beings. Knowledge becomes self-recognition. Human understanding is constrained by evolution, language, time, and biology. There may be truths we are incapable of grasping, not because they are hidden, but because we are limited. True wisdom may lie not in certainty, but in intellectual humility. The recognition that mystery is not failure, but depth. Epistemology teaches us that knowledge is not a possession, it is a process, a fragile, evolving relationship between mind and reality. If this exploration expanded your understanding, like and subscribe for deeper journeys into science, philosophy, and consciousness, because the greatest question is not what we know, but how knowing is possible at all.